वी लिव इन 2026 एंड टाइम बहुत अलग चल रहा है। पहले के किचन में शायद एक फ्रिज इंपॉर्टेंट है, मिक्सर ग्राइंडर इंपॉर्टेंट है। मैं बोल रहा हूँ और एक चीज ऐड कर लो उसमें 2026 के लिए, विच इज एन एयर फ्रायर। इट इज इक्वली एज इंपॉर्टेंट। सो टुडे वी हैव एन एयर फ्रायर, आई हैव माई फोन, and in this phone is the internet which will give us 5 viral air fryer recipes. कोई changes नहीं करेंगे, we will follow the recipe to the core and see how it turns out. Whether it's going to be a hit or a miss, I don't know, and I will give you my opinion on what I think about it. So let's go.
Now a big shout out to Shark Ninja for sending over the Ninja Air Fryer Max Pro. Shark Ninja recently launched in India, but I'm pretty sure you've heard about them. You must have seen hundreds of viral food recipe videos where their products are being used and then you're not even looking at the food. You're actually wondering, where can I get that product? Luckily, they're here now. This air fryer has a sleek design, 6.2 liter basket, multiple cooking functions like air frying, roasting, baking, reheating, dehydrating. But the feature that I'm more excited to use is the Max Crisp technology. Because we're not just testing the recipes today, we are testing this air fryer as well.
So I hope you are ready for the viral recipes. I don't think anyone has told you that you are going to be part of viral recipes.
Now the rules of the challenge is simple. Every recipe gets scored on taste, texture, effort, time, and most importantly, would I actually make it again? And at the end, we rank them from best to worst. Let's get cooking.
So our first viral video is for air fried puris. ये थोड़ी सी controversial बोल सकते हो, and I have a little opinion about it. Not कि air fryer में नहीं बनेगा, लेकिन मैं explain करता हूँ मेरी opinion क्या है। पहले पूरी बना लेते हैं।
I genuinely don't think I'm ready for this recipe, but commitment ले ली है तो खत्म कर लेते हैं। पूरी का dough is ready, and before anyone writes in the comments, do not judge my पूरी का shape. This identifies as round. The recipe says to give it a quick blanch in some hot water, then it goes into the air fryer. The large basket actually came in handy here. I could comfortably fit 3 to 4 puris. Selected the air fry setting, set the temperature, set the time, and now we wait. And within a few minutes, your puris are done. They definitely look like puris, and the air circulation inside the air fryer actually gave them a really nice and golden color. But now let Nihal tell you, do they actually taste good?
Okay, time to rate this पूरी। क्रिस्पी तो है, आवाज तो आ रही है पूरी। I'm not going to be biased and say कि यार डीप फ्राई में जो फ्लेवर है वो नहीं है। ठीक है, मैं समझता हूँ some people are trying to avoid deep fried food and in that case this definitely does work. टेस्ट वाइज अगर बोलूँगा तो it tastes like a very healthy version of a puri, but with the sabji it tastes really nice.
So here are the scores I'm giving the puri. I'm not actually completely sold on it, but without wasting any more time, let's move on to the next one. And Nihal, ये time कुछ crispy बनाना।
दे दो, क्या है रेसिपी नंबर 2? ओहो, स्पाइरल पोटैटोज। बहुत लंबी लाइन लगती थी when used to go to like those flea markets to eat these. Now this is a very different way to do it and I feel थोड़ा सा complicated है, लेकिन complication से हम डरते नहीं है। हमारे पास निंजा है, आलू है। Let's make spiral potatoes.
Now what I liked about this recipe was the knife skill and the optimism that was required to cut the potatoes, slice them really nice and thin to get that spiralness. I gave it a quick marination and goes into the basket. This recipe was perfect to test the Max Crisp technology because if this potato does not become crispy, then I owe an apology to the whole internet. But you know what? Once they were done, they looked really crispy.
I'm very crispy. Time उतना नहीं लगा. Texture is incredible. Will I make it again? Definitely yes, but it's good.
You know what? I enjoyed the spiral potatoes और crispy भी properly हुआ. Here are the scores for this and competition भी थोड़ा सा serious हो रहा है क्योंकि हमको पास्ता भी बनाना है, एक बिरिस्ता भी बनाना है and तंदूरी भी बन रहा है. So let's keep going.
ये वाली जो वायरल रेसिपी ना, I will be like the happiest if this turns out great. क्योंकि मुझे याद है मेरे ताज के दिन जहाँ पे ये बिरिस्ता बनाने के लिए मुझे प्याज काटना पड़ता था। हजारों किलो प्याज काटा है मैंने, इतना रोया है कि आंसू ही नहीं बचे हैं। If this does that, it saves that much time. I am sold. I am sold on this recipe. So I guess time to cry.
I genuinely need this hack to work because making birista is probably my least favorite part of making a biryani. Standing over the hot oil, constantly stirring, praying that the onions don't burn in the last minute. The onions get sliced, tossed in some oil and straight into the Ninja Air Fryer Max Pro. Normally I would like fry them in multiple batches, but the basket handled it comfortably. The only thing that I had to do was to come back every 5 minutes and just stir it around. And when the timer went off, this is what we had.
I'll be honest, That's brilliant. Just like how the viral recipes have been claiming, it is nice and crispy and perfect for your biryanis or whatever North Indian Mughlai recipes you want to make. Taste wise, it is exactly like how I would fry it. Like fry करने में और air fry करने में same taste है, no changes at all. Texture wise, I think it is much more crispier. Would I make this again? Definitely. This hack is a winner.
You know what? I'm really happy with that. Here are the scores for the Barista. And honestly, I'm even more happier with this air fryer. In fact, I've got a pretty sweet deal if you plan to shop for an air fryer. But for that, stay tuned till the end.
Air fryer pasta. ये किसने सोचा कि एयर फ्रायर में पास्ता बन जाएगा? If I am looking at the video and actually मैं काफ़ी काम थोड़ा कम हो जाता है. मैंने 12 साल पास्ता कुक किया है, लाइक प्रोफेशनली. 12 साल मैं एक इटालियन रेस्टोरेंट में काम करता था, बट एयर फ्रायर में कभी नहीं बनाया. सो चलो फिर बनाते हैं.
Now, who doesn't love pasta? But this recipe looked a little too good to be true. Everything goes into the casserole mixed together into the air fryer. For this one, I switched over to the bake function, set the time, set the temperature and hoped for the best.
Viral for a reason, I guess.
Unfortunately, my fears came true. It just didn't cook properly and I really didn't want to taste it.
I don't know what this is. कुछ तो बना है, पास्ता तो नहीं बना है for sure. I don't think it's the air fryer's fault because the main problem I think कि रेसिपी की क्वांटिटी और रेशियोज में है. But yeah, I think this is a complete fail. It's not your fault. Don't worry. Don't worry. It's not your fault. It's just human beings on the internet. They're just खोपड़ी कम.
I agree, Nehal. That's a complete fail. But keep your hopes up. The next recipe I'm sure you'll like.
अरे ये किसकी रेसिपी है? अरे इसको तो देखा है, ऐसा लग रहा है. देखा है कहीं तो. Jokes apart, this will actually test the air fryer more than my recipe because I'm very confident about my recipe. I just want to make sure it gets that nice charring while the chicken has to stay really nice and juicy inside. Tandoori chicken is possible in an air fryer, but this one is on you. Let me see how well you perform.
Obviously, yaar, from all the viral recipes, how can I not make my own viral recipe and boast about it? The chicken has been marinated, it has been smoked, and it is ready to go into the air fryer. Which I was surprised that all 3 legs actually fit into it. I switched over to the roast settings, set the time, set the temperature, and halfway through we opened it to just brush it with some butter because butter makes everything better. And now I was just waiting for that color. Come on, Ninja, don't let me down. And when the timer went off, I had nothing to worry about. Just look at that color. Now, Nehal, taste करके बता दो उनको.
ज़्यादा मत सोचो, मेरी रेसिपी अच्छी होगी, ठीक है? I'm not being biased. It is actually good. Look at it. क्या ही बोलूँ मैं? Let me have a bite first. Wow. Taste amazing, texture amazing, color amazing. Time, will I make it again? 100% yes. You are my best friend.
Obviously, I have to score my own recipe, so this is a completely unbiased score. That was a real fun video to shoot, but I'm pretty sure you guys want to know who won.
Okay, that was a very long day. I'm sure. Long day था ना काफ़ी, लेकिन अच्छा काम किया इसने. Last 5 घंटे से ये air fryer चालू है and I did not have any trouble using it at all. If I have to give a winner for this episode, I would say the Barista wins number 1 because it was incredibly crispy. Number 2, I would say I'm not being biased, but maybe I'm being biased कि तंदूरी चिकन, क्योंकि चिकन किसको पसंद नहीं है, चिकन एयर फ्रायर में बहुत इजीली बन जाता है. Number 3, I would give the spiral potatoes. Number 4 for me would be the puri. It's not bad, but number 4 पे है वो. And number 5 for me is the pasta. It did not work at all. It was a complete fail. I think 5 में से 4 रेसिपी फेल तो नहीं है, दे ऑल वर्क. ओनली एक जो फेल हो गई. बट इफ यू लुक एट इट, देयर इज ओनली वन ट्रू विनर ऑफ दिस एपिसोड. दैट इज द निंजा एयर फ्रायर मैक्स प्रो. बिन थ्रू अ लॉट यार. 5 घंटे से ये चालू है, एक के पीछे एक रेसिपी हम देते जा रहे हैं. नाउ इन द वीडियो आई टोल्ड यू स्टे ट्यून्ड टिल द एंड. एक इनक्रेडिबल डील है ऑन दिस एयर फ्रायर एंड दैट इज यू कैन गेट 30% ऑफ. 30% ऑफ क्या होता है यार, कौन देता है 30% ऑफ? जस्ट यूज दिस कूपन कोड. Go to the link below in the description, head to the Ninja page and shop 30% off on this air fryer. Now from these 5 recipes, which one are you trying? Let me know in the comments. If you have a lot more viral air fryer recipes, don't share it with me. Don't send your viral recipe to me. I don't want it. तू टेंशन मत ले, नहीं बनाएंगे और viral recipe. We will make tandoori chicken.